release more heat as well as increased heartbeat and high blood pressure, as well as a person loses its weight abnormally. Calcitonin is another hormone in which the function of calcitonin is inhibiting osteoclast activity in bones, and the result of which it decreases the breakdown of bone. The function of the osteoclast is to decrease the level of calcium within the bloodstream. It takes place by two ways. One is the inhibition osteoclast activity in the bones, and which break down bone. Another way by which it decreases the calcium level within the bloodstream is inhibit renal tubular cell absorption of calcium and phosphate, in the result of which more calcium and phosphate released from the body in the urine, and the level of calcium decrease within the bloodstream. Its abnormal secretion cannot show any effect on the body, but sometimes it is associated with medullary thyroid cancer. The other gland is the parathyroid gland, which is present dorsally in the larynx region, below the larynx region, in the neck portion of the individual. It is present just adjacent to the thyroid gland, and the hormone that is released by the parathyroid gland is termed as parathyroid hormone PTH. It is associated with the increased reabsorption of calcium in the kidney. It demineralized of osteoclast cell to release calcium in the bloodstream. The abnormalities that are associated with the abnormal secretion of parathyroid gland are hypercalcemia, in which calcium level increase within the blood, kidney stone, and osteoporosis.